Man, this shit is coming down outside. Just listen. Oh! Damn, boy. That shit is coming down. Don't mind the grass, yo. That motherfucking shit is coming down, bro. Golly. Shit leaking. Shit. It's been raining like this all fucking week. Man, I'm glad I ain't out there in this shit. But if I was, you know you got to be ready. You need tarps, rainproof shit, a jacket for sure, wool blanket, something, somewhere where you ain't gonna get wet. Because if you on the streets, you gonna get your ass fucking wet. And that's the last thing you wanna be while it's raining and cold, is fucking wet. So prepare for that shit. Always stay ready. You don't know what the fuck can happen. Always have shit ready. Because that shit is not it. It's not it, bro. I done had trench foot on the streets. And I ain't in the fucking trench. You feel me? It's not it.